Presenting on the Avenue Towns in downtown Toronto, in Forest Hill, one of the best neighborhoods in Toronto, at 1046 Avenue Road, corner of Avenue and Eglinton Avenue, Forest Hill's premier freehold, totally yours, towns. 3 bedrooms, 3 bath. Access to 401 and downtown is equally accessible at 15 minutes each. Trendy neighborhood with world-class schools and restaurants. Available in March 2014. 1921 square feet of breathtaking design. Surrounded by beautiful neighborhood with A-plus trendy shops, stores, world-class schools. This is a dream come true. You have oakwood hardwood flooring, porcelain tiles, natural Caesar stone slabs, polished chrome in bathroom, 10-foot ceilings on the main and 9-foot ceiling on the second and third floors, custom roller blinds and European kitchen, starting from $1,195,000 to $1,495,000. Please give me a call, Imran Khan, broker Remax Condos Plus at 416-670-6588. Thank you.